ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not.
Hey divas, I'm back finally from my hiatus. Well, in this video right here, I'm going to show y'all how I construct. This is a loose wave unit. So as you can see, it's with lace closure. So that is what I'm doing now. I'd like to put T-pins into my wig. I don't consider that being, you know, old-fashioned or, you know, new school or somebody not knowing what they're doing. I don't consider it that way. I look at it as you're making your unit as perfect as you possibly can, and that's what I do. So I like to use the T-pins just to make sure everything is laid straight and correct, and so forth. So the first thing that I do is I sew down the closure or the frontal 360, whichever closure unit or technique I'm using. I sew that down onto the cap first. When I first did this video, it was about 23 minutes, and I was like, okay, I know that is going to be way too long. So I sped it up pretty fast for y'all to see, and I cut some of the footage so that it would be about 10 minutes at the most for y'all to sit here and enjoy. I recently had to move, so please excuse the background, y'all. I'm not in exactly the place I want to be right now, but hopefully our house will be ready soon. On the ends, I like to make sure I double stitch on the ends. Also, I tie 2 knots on the ends so that way it doesn't come loose. On this unit right here, I am doubling up the wefts so that it will be nice and full all the way through without the tracks having to be so close together. Here you can see I'm using the flip over method and bringing the 2 wefts back over to the other side of the unit, and I'm going to sew that down from end to end, making sure the wefts are even with each other as I am sewing. As you can see, I also used the T-pins to make sure that they were down in place and that they're not sliding all over the place while I'm trying to sew. My mannequin head is a little old, so it's just moving all over the place. It gets on my nerves. I have to go buy some more. Alright, I'm going to be quiet for a while, y'all, and let y'all enjoy the video, and I will be back. Remember to stay tuned to the end of the video so that you can see the final product. Okay, so as you can see, once I get up to the top, I go ahead and sew the bundles closely to the frontal or the closure. Now here is the final product, y'all. This is the back. Now this is the front. If you order, you will get a free pair of mink lashes. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe and comment below.